Hi guys, Chris here with a quick review of the Enerdrive ePRO Plus battery monitor that I picked up online from the mygenerator.com.au online store. Here's the product here, very easy to install, takes you through your battery percentage, battery voltage, your current draw or incoming current when the battery's on charge, time left at the current draw going out of the battery, and it will also give you a temperature reading when that is connected. Very straightforward to install with a simple battery shunt here. One lead going to the positive post on the battery, one lead going off to the negative on the battery, and all your negative loads going through the other side of the shunt. So there you have it guys, a very quick review, super easy to install, very reliable, robust product, the Enerdrive ePRO Plus battery monitor.